Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama is proud to introduce the Vendor Portal System, aimed to give our vendors an exceptional experience with the payment process. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a look at using the Vendor Portal and the benefits that go along with it. For your convenience, the Vendor Portal is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is for current Blue Cross commercial vendors. Through the portal, vendors can upload invoices, check invoice payment status, update banking information, request payments via EFT, update contact information and SADBA status, and make changes to W-9 forms. The portal does not handle individual, Medicare, group, or provider insurance-related matters. Registering is easy. Go to alabamablue.com/vendor. Click How do I register? If you are a vendor, click Register Now. Read Consent for use of electronic signatures and documents. Check the box giving your consent. Click on It is recommended you print a copy of this agreement for future reference. Click Submit. Read the Vendor Portal Waiver of Liability. Check the box for acknowledgement. Complete all fields, then click Submit. Your registration is complete, and please print a copy for your records. You will receive login information within 1 to 3 business days. Thank you for your time, and we hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions about the Vendor Portal, please email vendor@bcbsal.org.